125 years, UMass Lowell has inspired generations of hardworking students to make a better future. From its beginning in rented rooms above a downtown storefront, UMass Lowell has grown from an initial handful of local students to more than 18,000 students from around the world. Today, UMass Lowell contributes more than $1 billion annually to the Massachusetts economy and is recognized as one of the most ambitious public research universities in the nation. Our journey began in the birthplace of the American Industrial Revolution, where two institutions formed on either side of the Merrimack River. In 1894, the Lowell Normal School was granted a charter to prepare teachers for the region's expanding schools. A year later, the Lowell Textile School started producing the skilled workers and technicians needed for the city's booming textile industry. As the decades passed, the mills fell silent, but both institutions adapted and grew, eventually merging in 1975. The University of Lowell was born. And in 1991, it joined the University of Massachusetts system. Under the leadership of longtime Chancellor William Hogan, UMass Lowell established itself as a smart choice for the region's families and set itself apart as one of the first universities in the world to offer online courses and degrees. The university transformed again under Hogan's two successors, alumni Marty Meehan and Jackie Maloney. Enrollment surged and hundreds of faculty were hired. Research increased dramatically. The university invested nearly $700 million in new and renovated facilities. And students cheered as their River Hawks rose to Division I competition across all sports. Throughout all of this, UMass Lowell's reputation soared, placing it among U.S. News and World Report's top public universities. Across our history, nothing has made us prouder than our students, who have always embodied the public university ideal. They are curious, industrious, and focused on using their education for the greater good. Whether they are solving problems in the classroom or beyond it, our students are developing the skills that employers need in the 21st century. The world has changed in 125 years. What hasn't changed is our commitment to serving our region while giving every student a high-quality and affordable education. Then as now, we've strived to empower our students to create a better tomorrow, one that's full of promise, purpose, and pride. Here's to the next 125 years. And we're just getting started.